Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make a hotspot in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video, or hotspot means other devices can go and join here and use your internet connection to do this. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button and click on Settings and Settings. Come over to the left and click on Network and Internet, and what you need to do is go and locate Mobile Hotspot. It's important to note that for this to work, you need to have an adapter installed, so if you do, we can. Then go and click on it. Now we can go and get started. Before we turn it on, we can set the settings, choose which you want to go, and share your internet connection from. I'll select Wi-Fi. You can then choose how you're sharing it, or choose Wi-Fi, and you can then go and change the properties by clicking Edit, so you can set the name and then the network password as well. And when you're ready, click on. And that's it. And so now other devices can go and connect to it and start using your internet. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.